from a group of 25 students, 4 are to be selected to give a presentation in class. And how many ways can this be done? So notice I'm asking in how many ways can it be done. I'm not asking for a probability, which means I just want to come up with some integer, some number of ways that this can be done. We have 25 students. We're selecting a group of 4. There's no sort of order implied here, and it doesn't make sense that we would choose the same person twice. So the fact that we can't choose the same person twice means repetition. Repetition, I'm misspelling it. There's no repeats. And order important? Order is not important, which means we're dealing with a combination. Whenever we're doing one of these counting problems, we kind of have to think through that process to think of what sort of counting principle are we going to use. So there's 25 students here. We're choosing 4 of them. This will be 25 choose 4. Let's ask my calculator what this number is. $25 choose 4 is 12,650. If you are one of these students, find the probability that you will be one of the 4 that is selected. Okay, so there is, you're one of the 4, but there are 3 remaining students to be selected. So that means you have, well, let's do it this way. You're one of the 4 that are selected. I'm going to call that event E. So I need to figure out the number of ways that this could happen, n of E. Well, for each way you can be selected, there are a certain number of ways the rest of the people can be selected. Of course, there's only one way you can be selected, so that's just a 1. But the remaining people, well, there's 24 people remaining in this class, and there will be 3 others selected. So there, this would be 24 choose 3. Let's go 24 choose 3, which is 2024. And n of s, well, that's what we figured out up above. That's 25 choose, 25 choose 4. That's the number from up here. So the probability of E is n of E over n of s, which is 2024 out of 12,650. I'm sure this fraction could be reduced. Actually, I know it can be reduced since they're both even numbers, but I don't care about it being reduced as far as the test is concerned, and I need to double check. I need to look through the homework to see if it cares about that fraction being reduced. Let me see if the calculator can reduce it for us, because, like I said, I don't really care about you guys spending all your time reducing fractions. If I say convert that to a fraction, it actually reduces it to 4/25. So that definitely can be reduced, but really the 2024 out of the 12,650, that is a more telling number. But, you know, I would rather see your work, this stuff up here, as far as a test, or really, yeah, as far as a test is concerned.